Well, here we are in a new calendar year, which means that we've finished up 5 seasons of A.R.T's Real Repairs for Real Customers. And during that time, we have almost completed a review of the previous 30 years of seminar instruction. Now, some of the ideas that we've taught in the past have also been updated, and so those will be coming along this next year, hopefully. In fact, I'm looking at a project board here which has enough videos shot for the next 6 months. Hopefully we can get to them. But what I've done in the meantime is I have watched all 45 hours of videos from the previous 5 years now and put all the information into a spreadsheet so that we can separate out from that spreadsheet by category all of the repairs for easy referencing. So I thought we would make this video actually a video index both for your benefit and mine. Let's take a look. So the first category that I have selected out isn't a category of repairs at all. It's one that I've listed academic. These are videos that tell something about the business, or they address a specific scientific principle, perhaps, that would be discussed as in a classroom setting. Of particular note among them were the videos having to do with the art of cleaning and surface preparation. Here's where we learned that as a technician, it is our responsibility to make sure that we have a high energy surface for proper adhesion. And we talked about the energy of adhesion. We learned how a low energy surface actually inhibits proper cleaning even. So if we're lacking adhesion, we have to look no further than ourselves to see what kind of energy we have imparted to the surface. There has never been a presentation like this anywhere on the planet. Likewise, you have never seen such a comprehensive presentation concerning paint blushing. With knowledge of the science, we can now avoid paint blushing or correct it. And more recently, our discussion about mold and mildew helps us to understand what we can and cannot do, or maybe more precisely, what we can promise the customer and what we cannot promise the customer. Of course, you can pause for any of these categories. Now, if we separate the videos out by category, we first come to aircraft here and marine. So this tells me that we perhaps could include more boat repairs on the channel. Of course, I welcome you to put in the comments any suggestions for videos you would like to see. And we might interject here. When we were first posting videos on the channel, some technicians thought that I shouldn't be disclosing all of the industry's secrets. Well, you've got it backwards. Now you know where the ideas were coming from to begin with, and I can feel free to share my own ideas for the benefit of everybody in the industry and for the benefit of the public too. In videos where we've discussed color matching, I try to set aside these videos that deal specifically with color matching, and then the videos that deal with color matching as part of the repair, best I could do. Notable among them were the videos where we've discussed the tan scale. We already know about a gray scale, but since automotive colors, especially in the U.S., are either tans or grays, we invented the tan scale. We showed how that could bring us to our target color quicker. Also, in the gray scale, we learned how we could use a combination of black and brown for our value controllers and get to our color quicker. In fact, one attendee at a seminar said that idea alone made it worth the 1,000-mile trip to come to the seminar. Solving the red challenge is a milestone video also. Even in industries other than ours, I have been on discussion forums where there's a constant discussion about what is the right color to use as a primer color for various target colors. No one seems to come to a consensus. Here with our translucent color, the red, we have come to the conclusion unequivocally that in order to reach our target color, we have to make a custom primer color to reach our goal. The mock-up did a good job showing that, and we saw the end results at the end of the video. While I do have a category for furniture, I think it's more beneficial if we break this up into couch, table, recliner, and chair. 29 in all. And of course, as we see at the top of the couch category here, we have to thank Gary Babinick for his contributions over the last 5 years as well. This one on the waxed aniline couch, though, is of importance because we have seen other people that are knowledgeable in the industry purport to tell us how to fix couches with severe damages in them, but they've never shown us how to do it. They're quick to tell us what we're doing wrong when we fail, and they sell us lots of products, but they've never actually shown you how to do it. Can they do it? I doubt it. But here on this channel, we've actually shown it. And as they say, the proof is in the pudding. Another new concept we brought to the table was that of using the baseball stitch as a structural component to restore the contour and tension to the leather. That was a bold step, followed by ironing the stitching flat. And if you wanted to search the videos by the categories of tables, recliners, and chairs, this is what you get. We have 67 automotive-related videos, but that's not too helpful right there. But we can divide that up into armrest, consoles, dash, door panel, carpet, steering wheel, trim, and seats. Here are 3 of those categories. We have highlighted how imperative it is that we can repair the BMW and the Mercedes center console lids like brand new, since they're not able to be recovered, and replacement means replacing the entire console. So the industry forces us to step up our game. Of course, sometimes it's possible to purchase a console lid, and we've shown purchasing pre-sewn upholstery to recover a lid. And whereas we have demonstrated replacing the consoles, and it might be wise in some aspects of business to do so, the focus of our channel is developing the skill to repair it, developing the skill to make it. When freight is halted and parts are no longer available, we will be in business because we have the skills. There were quite a variety of repairs in the door panel department. Do you remember the days when we could not fix a foam steering wheel? And now we look forward to every one we get. We've demonstrated many ways to fix various damages in leather steering wheels, but the most exciting update is the one where we replaced an insert in the steering wheel from seam to seam, and we finally perfected that process. Refinishing metallic trim is a big part of today's modern repair technician. And by applying ourselves to color matching, we've discovered that we can even repair wood grain, that is, the simulated wood grain plastic trim. Another search category is by seat. I don't know how helpful that would be, but there they are. Now, if we sorted the videos according to the types of material, we have urethane, vinyl, plastic, leather, and cloth. In conclusion, Consider these videos as a 5-year curriculum that can't be had at any college, but yet is more practical than much of what is being taught today in colleges. I view it as my dissertation for creating a whole new curriculum for which a degree doesn't even exist yet, but more helpful than any. And when you watch the videos, watch them all the way through, because the voiceovers are planned as a lesson plan so that one sentence builds on the one before. The paragraph builds on the paragraph preceding it. So this is the way to view it. If you think you already know how to do a repair, watch the video all the way through. You will learn something, I guarantee it. Even the music is original. So please be subscribed to the channel, because there are many new ideas coming up this next year, and I'm sure you won't want to miss them. Thanks for watching.